Hello everyone! Today I have a review of another knife from the Bulgarian company Dulotec, model KARMA XL. Total length is 24.7 centimeters, blade length is 11 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is ACR 13 MOV. It's a Chinese stainless steel, tempered to 60 HRC, so quite high for this type of steel. Flat grind, satin finish, opening with a flipper. On the blade, the Dulotec logo and company name. The model's name, KARMA XL. On the other, ACR 13 MOV steel. Liner lock. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of black G10. A simple stainless steel pocket clip without any motif. An eyelet for paracord. In summary, it's a quite large knife for a folder. It clicks very nicely and I don't notice any problems with opening. The G10 and profiled handle provide a good grip, even with a sweaty hand. The steel is also quite good. There is nothing to complain about. That's all on this review, thanks for watching.